The smooth and pain-free movement of your knee joints is enabled by a strong and durable tissue known as hyaline cartilage. Once damaged, hyaline cartilage is unable to heal itself and restore its original properties. Cartilage lesions from joint disease or injury can cause pain and inflammation of the knee joint. The Hyalex Freestyle Knee Implant, featuring Hyalex HydroSurf, is designed to replicate the structure and function of natural hyaline cartilage, enabling surgeons to restore the joint surface in a single procedure. The off-the-shelf implant is designed with a titanium base that allows surgeons to treat both the cartilage and any underlying bone damage. Using the Hyalex instruments, the procedure is straightforward. Here's how it works. Access the joint and use the pin guide to size the cartilage lesion. Place the guide pin. Drill the lesion site to remove the damaged tissue. Use the trial to confirm correct implant placement. Select the appropriately sized Hyalex implant and load it into the inserter sleeve. Temp to secure the implant in place. The press fit of the titanium base within the bone provides initial stability and enables bone ingrowth over time. The joint surface is restored with the Hyalex implant.